Welcome to the project demonstration of dry hand wash by using Arduino Uno with the Atmega 328P microcontroller. So here the dry hand wash achieved by this sanitization modules which are mounted in this box along with UV light and ultrasonic sensor. So for this Arduino Uno board we are going to provide the input from the ultrasonic sensor as well as from this control buttons. Ultrasonic sensor are used to identify and detect the hands whenever the hands placed into this enters of the box, and next these buttons are used to select the times. So timings nothing but 5 seconds or 10, 15, 20 seconds. So the time nothing but till the selected time. Inside the box the sanitization as well as UV light will switching on till that seconds of duration by selected by these buttons. Okay, and these two are the main input modules, and the output modules are LCD in order to display the welcome message along with the status of the project, nothing but ultrasonic sensor distance, and when the sanitization system switched on, so that will be displayed on this LCD screen. And another is relays. So in these two relays are used to control the sanitizers which are placed inside this box, and this particular relay to control the UV light. And here the UV light is operated at 230 volts and sanitizations operated at 5 volts. So here we are going to provide the 230 volts power supply directly from this plug, and it was given to this transformer. The transformer will step down the voltage to 30 to 12 volts, and the particular 12 volts AC will be converted into the pulsating DC with help of this 4 diodes are connected in bridge rectifier. And after that 12 pulsating DC given through this filter, and after this 7805 regulator we will get pure 5 volts of DC power supply. So it was given and distributed to the LCD display and this button section module and relays also. And the next, once the Arduino Uno get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from this ultrasonic sensor which was placed inside this box, as well as till how much of time it has to be the sanitizer and UV light which has to be on. So that particular time also will be decided by this push buttons. And coming to these connections, the push buttons are connected at A0, A1, A2, A3 pins of this Uno board, and LCD interfaced at 2 to 7, and these two relays interfaced at the 10, 11, and this particular relay at 12th pin, and ultrasonic sensor interfaced at 8 and 9 pins. Okay, so let us see the demonstration. When we switch on this board, so there will be a welcome message on this LCD screen, so we can see that. And after that, so reset switch, and after the welcome message is displayed, so you can see the distance, nothing but inside the ultrasonic sensor the range of the front object. And so when we are going to select the 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Okay, and now so let us go to the 5 seconds. Whenever inside this box hand or object detected by the ultrasonic sensor, so the UV light will be switched on and the sanitization also is going to be happen. Okay, so let us go to 10 seconds. So let us see that with both hands. So when my hand detected, then automatically the sanitizers switched on and the UV light gets switched on, so that my hand will sanitized. Right. Thank you.